Welcome to DeFi Crypto Today. Our topic today is Artion, the new Fantom-based NFT marketplace. So there's been a lot of issues with the NFT market at the moment. As most people would notice, is that if you're buying on Opensea on Ethereum, gas fees are spectacular. Many times you're going to pay more in gas than you're going to pay for the actual NFT. Okay, if you can pay hundreds of dollars for a transaction and to give the NFT for free, or just a few dollars. So it's starting to be ridiculous, and it's not making a lot of sense. So a lot of people are creating NFT marketplaces on other networks, okay, outside of Ethereum. And this one has been has opened recently on the Fantom network, because Fantom is significantly faster and considerably cheaper. It's going to cost you $1 or $2 per transaction, probably. All right. So also, there's been a bit of a scandal at Opensea. Some employee were front-running the NFTs that were going to be featured on the main page, right? So they knew that, these NFT projects are going to be coming on the front page, so most likely a lot of people are going to buy them and the price would go up. So they decided, hey, we can buy them on the cheap before people know that they're featured, and then we can make a buck, right? It's not technically illegal, just unethical. Okay, this is a little bit like if you're on the stock market, right, and you work for, I don't know, Tesla, and you know that the new model, whatever, X, is going to be, coming on the market tomorrow, and it's going to be a killer, and everybody and his mother is going to want that Model X, and the profits are going to go through the roof. And you decide to buy stocks in Tesla before the news happens, okay, that's illegal, because that's on the stock market, okay. It's illegal because a lot of people complain that it was unethical. It's not yet illegal on the crypto market, because the crypto market is so new, and especially the NFT market. I mean, it's just a couple of years old, so nobody knows what crazy things can happen, right? But a lot of people are starting to hate Opensea because of this, because they let their employee do that. And Cronje here said, okay, that's it. I'm creating my own NFT marketplace on Fantom. Also, this one is going to be open source, which is different than Opensea. Opensea, strangely enough, is not open source. It's private, and it's privately owned, and the code is secret. Okay, so and it's owned by a bunch of billionaire virtual capitalists. So a lot of people are a little bit angry at them, because they got 95% of the NFT market right now, and their employees are front-running people, and that's not fair. You want to get you want everybody to be on the same level playing field, right? That's the issue. So anyway, so this is a response to that scandal and the super high gas fees, okay? And they're saying this is coming from CoinDesk. They say the new NFT marketplace, a vampire attack suicide pact. Let's not mince words. So basically, they call this a vampire attack, so they want to suck the lifeblood out of Opensea. That's the target right now. That's cute. All right. So so Artion's code is entirely open source. The platform does not charge a fee for minting or purchasing NFTs. Opensea charges a flat 2.5% fee on all purchases, and it's native to Ethereum, whose network has been suffering high fees of late. Yeah, no kidding. $15 in network fees. Wake up! It's close to $100 now. Last time I played with this over a month ago, it was like $65 just to buy anything. Cronje revealed that Artion is preparing a robust cross-chain market with NFT token bridge, and that the platform will launch on a new chain every week, with Ethereum, Arbitrum, Avalanche, and Polygon as early targets. So hopefully that's going to happen. At the moment, it's only available on Fantom. So, and Cronje encourages forks of his new project, spin-offs, and that will simultaneously leech volume from both Artion and Opensea. So he wants people to basically copy his code and make as many copies of that NFT market as possible, just to try to kill Opensea. It's cute. Anyway, you can read the rest of the article, it's fun. Now, Mr. Cronje has a Twitter page, if we can get to it. It has a lot of funny stuff on it. Cronje is deeply involved in the crypto world. Okay, he's responsible for several projects. So I invite you to follow him on Twitter and have a look at this stuff. There's a lot of fun things there. I particularly like this retweet. Okay, I don't know about you if you follow the news, but the American government, in its great wisdom, was planning to charge tax on unrealized capital gains. What does that mean? So let's say you buy yourself a house, right? And I don't know, let's say you pay 200 grand for the house. And a couple years later, the price went up to, let's say, 300 grand. So you have an unrealized capital gain of $100,000. You haven't sold your house yet. It's just that the market value went up, as it would do for real estate in many places. And the government says, oh, you need to pay tax on that. So you haven't sold your house. You may or may not have any cash in your bank account, right? But they want to charge you tax on your $100,000 that you didn't even cash out yet. Okay? And that would apply to stocks as well. So let's say you bought, I don't know, Apple shares at, I don't know, $100, and now they're like $3,000. You would have to pay tax, and you haven't sold your Apple shares yet. You would have to pay taxes on the $2,900 capital gain that you made, but you haven't cashed it out yet. So are you going to pay tax on something like that, especially when the price of your stocks fluctuate up and down every day? So I have no idea. And same with crypto. So if you bought Bitcoin at 40,000, now it's sitting at, I don't know, 49,000. You would have to pay tax on the 9,000. What if the price goes down? Can you deduct the unrealized capital loss? That'd be nice. You know, if Bitcoin crashes to, like, say 10,000 and you bought it at 60,000, can you claim a tax deduction on the unrealized 50,000 that you lost? That'd be sweet. Anyway, so the caption here is those unrealized capital gains are in the room with us right now. I love this. Okay, so seriously, let's go back to Artion, the subject of our video. This is the website. It looks a little bit like like Opensea, and they explain why you should do Artion. Well, it's easy to connect, it's super fast, low transaction fees, and no platform fees. So that's nice. They have categories here, so you can go on collectibles, let's say, and see what's there. Alright, so we got Fantom Apes, as you do. Every network is gonna have an NFT ape and an NFT punk and whatever. I don't know about the value of these things, okay? Are they going to be worth anything or not? That's up to you to decide, okay? But anyway, you have all kinds of stuff that you can have a look at. Now, I would suggest that you stick to verified collections as opposed to unverified collections like this one. The chances of getting rug pulled are a little bit smaller on verified. So you have your collections listed here. Okay. So you can select whatever collection you're interested in. And you have the status. Let's say you want to buy now. So you select buy now. And let's say I wanted to buy this ape here. I would be able to buy now. So let's make this a little bit bigger. So that's the price here. Sounds a little bit expensive for me, but anyway. So you have Fantom Apes, okay, as an example. I saw punks earlier also. Where are the punks? I'm just seeing, maybe they're not available for sale now. Maybe they're just on auctions. But anyway, that gives you an idea. You don't have all the features, you know, as that you would have on Opensea right now. Okay, perhaps they're going to add that, I don't know. So you have your categories, you have your collections, you have the status, and that's how you search. If you just click on Explore, you get the general page and so on, which is a little bit buggy sometimes. Okay, that's been my experience, that sometimes the interface is a little bit buggy. Okay. And here, well, you need to connect. You need to use MetaMask. You need to connect on Fantom, and you can create yourself a profile and do notification settings. And if you've got a collection that you want to post, you can register it like this. You can also create your NFTs over here. All right. So that gives you a quick look at Artion. Okay, the vampire killer for Opensea. If you like this kind of stuff, please like and subscribe. Don't forget to ring the bell to know when I'm publishing new videos. And don't forget the free book. And if you'd rather give $5.99 to Jeff Bezos, go to Amazon, buy the book there, and Jeff will give me $1 later. See you.